Have you ever gazed upon the beauty of chips under a microscope? And did you know what's the most used password around the world? Watch this video full to know crazy things. Number 5. Do you know what's the most used password around the world? Well, the most used password is 123456. I know, it's hard to believe that so many people are still using such a simple and easily guessable password. But the fact is it has been the most popular password for over a decade now. Can you imagine how easy it would be for a hacker to get into your personal information if your password was as simple as it? But don't worry, with a few simple steps, you can keep your information safe and secure. Number 4. Did you know that the world's longest pizza is a mile long? Yes, you heard that right. A mile-long pizza. Can you even imagine how much cheese and toppings would go into making a pizza that big? Do you know what's the best part about this pizza? It wasn't just a regular pizza. All the proceeds from the sale of this pizza were donated to a charity that supports children with disabilities. Well, the process wasn't a piece of cake. It took over 80 pizza makers, 5 ovens, and 60 hours of hard work to make this pizza. So, the next time you're craving for a slice of pizza, remember the mile long. Number 3. Are you ready for a perfectly awesome fact? Did you know that New Zealand has more cats per person than any other country in the world? Yes, that's right. The land of kiwis and stunning landscapes is also home to a large number of furry felines. Can you imagine waking up to the sound of meows and purrs every morning? But it's not just the locals who are crazy about cats. Visitors to New Zealand are also charmed by the abundance of these adorable creatures. In fact, the country has become a popular destination for cat lovers from all over the world. So, if you're a cat lover, pack your bags and head over to New Zealand for a perfectly awesome vacation. Number 2. Did you know that the humble chips you munch are a thing of beauty under a microscope? You take a thin slice of your favorite chip, pop it under a microscope, and each ripple, each groove, and each bump reveals a fascinating microworld unlike anything you've ever seen before. So next time you reach for a bag of chips, take a moment to appreciate the microscopic masterpieces that make each bite a tantalizing experience for your taste buds. Number 1. Did you know that the longest breath held underwater is a staggering 24 minutes and 3 seconds? That's right, folks. 24 minutes of pure underwater endurance and determination. Imagine holding your breath for 24 minutes. It's almost as if time stops. And the person who achieved this incredible feat is none other than Butimer Sobat on March 27, 2021. And remember, when you see someone holding their breath underwater, give them a round of applause, because they might just be the next world record holder. Stay tuned for more mind-boggling facts. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, do subscribe to this channel.